Yes, beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful ladies. I want to talk to you today. All right. I want to talk to you on on something that's important. Okay, something that's important that I'm noticing, and that we actually need to take a page from our other sisters from other cultures. Okay. Now, what is that you asked me? I'm glad you did. My beautiful people, if you are so called hard, if you so called don't cry, if you so called are not emotional, I need you to fake it till you make it. You hear me? The best way to get anything out of your spouse, the best way to make a man, okay, like a real man, like an alpha man, do what you want him to do. Get this, is to cry. Mm-hmm. Cry. If, for example, okay, if your man is yelling at you, if you are at fault, he's yelling at you. Do not feed his masculine energy. Listen up. Listen, please. This is good. Do not feed your man. Don't feed his masculine energy by yelling at him. Okay, by yelling back. Do not yell back. What we are going to do when your man is acting very masculine, okay, when your man is really like is in his masculine energy, we are going to tap into our feminine energy. You hear me? That's when you stop. You analyze the situation. You ask yourself, what do I want to get out of the situation? What's in this situation? What's in this situation for me? How can I benefit? How can I profit from this situation? Okay? By you yelling, that's you demonstrating to him that you are a dude, that basically you are just masculine, just like him. Okay, it's like two dudes yelling at each other. That's not gonna win. You're not gonna win, because then that's gonna make him want to even be more masculine, more aggressive. By you yelling back at him, my beautiful ladies, it's like you telling him that you also have masculine energy in you. Okay? You are also aggressive. And guess what? Him being the alpha man that he is, he's going to step it up. He's going to be like, oh yeah? Well, then now this is a competition. Let's see who could yell louder. Let's see who could be more angrier. And you as a woman, your voice cannot compete with a man. Like, there's no way we can like, there's no way my little voice can compete with a big man's voice. So what do I do? What do you do? What should you do? Cry. Oh my God. Let's call him Bob. Oh my God, Bob. I can't believe you're yelling at me right now, sweetie. Like, I really can't believe you're doing this. Like, what? What have I done that is so bad? That's so horrible for you to be yelling at me like this. Like, what did I do? I need time. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Like, I just can't right now. I need to just... I need to go. Okay, I need to go. We'll talk later. Okay? And walk out. Walk out. If you guys live together, still walk out. Okay? Go out for a few hours. Go to the mall. Don't pick up. He's going to call you. Don't pick up his call. Don't pick up his phone call. Instead, when he apologizes, okay, and this is the icing. This is the icing, y'all. See, I'm giving y'all free counseling, free advice from the realist. When he calls back to apologize, ask him for something. Ask him for something. Whether it's a trip, whether it's an object, whether it's, something where he has to spend his time. Ask him for something where he would have to spend either his time or his money. So next time he tries to yell at you, next time he tries to, curse at you or whatever he's trying to do, rather than him yelling at you next time or calling you out of your name or whatever the situation is, okay? He's going to stop and say, if I yell at her, if I do this, it's going to cost me some money. It's going to cost me money, and it's going to cost me time that I do not want to give to her or that I don't have. If I yell at her again, I know how this is going to end. I know what's going to happen. Okay? Okay, my beautiful people, so this is how you deal with a man when he's in his masculine energy. You need to tap into your feminine energy. Now, there is a caveat. There's always a caveat. There's always a exception to the rule, okay? The exception to the rule is make sure that man wants you. Make sure that man likes you, and make sure that he sees you as the prize. Because if that man don't see you as a prize, if that man don't like you, if that man don't want you, he don't care. He's going to be laughing at you. He's going to be like, oh, you want to cry? Well, go ahead, cry. I don't care, cry. You want to go? Go ahead, go. So that's why I tell you, my beautiful ladies, you better choose a man. Be in a situation where you are the prize, where he wants to be with you more than you want to be with him, where he realizes that if you walk away, if you are not in his life, he has more to lose. He can't afford to leave you. If you leave his life, a big piece, he's not going to be happy. Something's going to be missing. Okay? So be the prize. Okay? Always carry yourself as a prize. Always, give yourself A+ treatment. Because then the person you're with will know that he's getting A+ treatment. Because if you treat yourself A+, okay, like for example, if you know me, I treat myself like A+. I am A+. Any man who gets me, any man who has the blessing to be with me, automatically know that in his mind that he's getting A+, that he has A+ in his hands. Grab yourself one. Okay, my beautiful ladies. So I hope that helped you, okay, to control your emotions, to put your emotions where it benefits you, and to know how to treat and be with your man. Now, this also goes both ways too, ladies. Don't be trying to cry. Don't be using your tears or your fake tears, whatever kind of tears you're going to be using. Don't be using your tears for a man who's not worth it, for a man that you don't want to be with. Okay. I love you, my ladies. I love you. I want us all to win in life. My passion, like I said, is for us all. It's for y'all to win in this game called life. See ya. Go onto my website. Get yourself a treat. Get yourself a treat, y'all. Go to my website. All right. Share this video, like this video, subscribe, follow me. I'll see you next time. Mwah.